Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install Elementor Pro. We've got a brand new WordPress site here, nothing installed on it yet, and one of the first things we want to do is add the essential plugins that we typically need to run a site. One of those is going to be Elementor Pro. Now in order to do that, the first thing you actually have to have installed is the regular version of Elementor, which we can do from the plugin repository. So if we go over here to plugins and then add new, we'll be able to just simply search for Elementor. And that'll bring up the Elementor website builder. We're going to install now and activate. Now this is the free version of Elementor. But in order to install Elementor Pro, you have to purchase it and have an account with Elementor, which we've already done. And then when you log into your account, you need to go to your download section and actually download a zip file of Elementor Pro. Then we're going to go back to add new, and this time we're going to click upload plugin, and we're going to choose the file that we downloaded, Elementor Pro, and we're going to open it and install. Now we leave that in the zip file. We don't have to unzip it when we download it. And then we'll hit activate. And we've actually already, since we've done this process multiple times, I think this is already connected to our Elementor account. But typically, what you need to do for Elementor Pro is actually connect it to your Elementor account. So when you first install it, you'll get a message that'll say, do you want to connect it, activate the plugin? We go under license information. Yeah, it's already activated. And then you just have to click a button, and as long as you're logged into Elementor on a different tab in your browser, and then you hit connect and activate, it will activate the Elementor Pro for you. And then you should be all set to start using the Elementor Pro web page builder.